going to see who can guess the least.
Lunchroom. Lunchroom. Lunchroom.
Daniel Pashula, Dan Brule, Jonathan Corshane, Maria Gursky, round 2. First round performance, not so excellent, but coming in here, do you have any idea what you're doing today?
No.
I do not.
No?
If I did, would it make a difference?
Absolutely not.
Nope.
What's going to happen is the staff are going to take turns coming forward sitting on a stool. Then the other 3 will come forward in a random order and make the noise as asked. The guesser on the stool has to make a guess of which one made the noise. If they don't guess correctly, the person who made the noise gets a point. Today we are playing for a 15-second winner circle. The winner gets to use that 15 seconds however they so desire. For the first round, the participants are going to have to make their best bird song noise.
Wow, that sounded a lot like Maria.
This is gonna be so hard!
Maria, I think you're going to need a different strategy in the future. How to not sound like yourself. We'll figure it out.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Jonathan Corshane with his tweets.
That's what you think, hey? Okay.
Well, the only person I know who can make that good of bird noises is Dan Brule. So there you go.
All right, Daniel, I'll tell you this. You got Maria right, and Dan and John. Good job. Okay. Head back to the seat. We're bringing up Maria next. Maria. Round 2. We need 2 seconds of your best beatboxing.
Pashula. That's Daniel.
Okay. Okay.
Can I guess Daniel again?
You absolutely can.
Okay. Dan.
Okay, Maria, I will tell you, you got Daniel Pashula right and Dan Brule right. And that makes sense because you never once guessed John. So 1 point for John, our current leader. Okay, good job, Maria. For the third round, we are looking for our contestants to make their best big, scary monster noise. You think that's Maria?
I'm gonna go with Dan Brule. I wanted to say Pashula, but now I'm second guessing myself. We're gonna go Daniel Pashula. Oh, it might be Maria though. Oh, I don't know. That wasn't a big scary monster.
This is the biggest, scariest monster I've ever heard in my life. What are you talking about?
Can they do it again, or is it too late?
Nope, that's it. That's your time, man.
That was not a big scary monster. We're gonna Maria.
Okay, John, I'll tell you this much. You got everyone. Good job. Yeah. Round 4, Dan Brule. The participants this time are each going to have to make their best rain noise.
Wow, that was a soft rain.
Just a gentle little
We're gonna go with Pashula.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
You're getting snappy and clappy on you.
I know.
Not making it easy.
John Corshane.
They gave you nothing, man.
They all essentially sound the same. You kind of have to go on like the dryness of the hands
Yeah.
almost.
Who do you
or
think's got
something.
the driest hands here, Dan? Was there one that sounded especially dry?
No. I'm just gonna go with the last one left, which is we'll go with John Crushane again.
Okay, the last one left goes with John Crushane again. Dan Brule, I'll tell you this much. You did guess John, and you did guess Daniel, but you did not guess Maria correctly, which means leading into our final round, the score is 1-1, John and Maria. Okay, for this tiebreaker round, we are looking for gymnastics, and I want to be able to hear something, whatever that something is. Dan Brule. Dan Brule is my guess. That was a big old thud. I'm gonna go Daniel Pashula. Daniel Pashula. Maria Gursky.
And John is the winner!
Jonathan Corshane, 15-second winner circle. It's all yours. How do you want to spend it?
Well, I want to talk about my gymnastics career because I took gymnastics for like 6 weeks one time.
Wait, really?
And yes, and what I was impressioning was like the pommel horse, even though I never did it in my 6-week career. I think it's the thing where you like go around on the bar, right? Anyways.
Well,
Good to be back.
congratulations, John. You are continuing to be the most awarded, the most decorated lunchroom competitor. We're proud of you and who you are. Jesus loves you.
Cue Olympic gold medal music now.
All right, if you haven't seen any other lunchroom videos, head over to YouTube and check them out. There are a lot of fun videos. You can see one right here, one right there, and another one over here. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss one. We'll see you next time in the lunchroom. Bye!